My dear friends, this is Dr. Panir Selvam on behalf of Groby Consultancy. Today, the video briefs you about the peaceful life to the aged people and how these retired aged people could be living in happiness. Because today it becomes a very big challenge for the aged people to mingle with the younger generations and lead their life as they had been in their previous life. Because people got retired or people reach the age of 65, of late the life expectancy rate has also gone up. That is because of the medical advancement and other futures which will be possible for the people to live longer. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி நீண்ட நாட்கள் வாழ்கின்ற பொழுது நமக்கான தேவைகள், நமக்கான சுதந்திரம், நமக்கான உரிமைகள் எல்லாம் கிடைக்குமா? நம்முடைய குடும்பத்தினரோடு இணைந்து வாழ்வதற்கான வாய்ப்புகள் உண்டா? அவர்கள் நம்மோடு இருந்து தங்களுடைய காலத்தை செலவழிப்பதற்கான நேரம் கிடைக்குமா? இப்படிங்கிற ஒரு கொஷின்ஸ் நமக்கு முன்னாடி வருகிறது. அதோடு மட்டும் நம்ம பிள்ளைகள் நம்மளோட இருக்கக்கூடிய வாய்ப்பு இருக்குதா? அவங்களுடைய பணிக்காக அல்லது பணிச்சுமைக்காக வெவ்வேறு இடங்களுக்கு செல்ல வேண்டிய நிலைமை ஏற்பட்டதுனால், அதுவும் நியூக்ளியர் ஃபேமிலி செட்டப் ரொம்ப அட்வான்ஸாக வந்துட்டு இருக்கிறதுனால, இந்த சுச்சுவேஷனில் ஹவ் த ஏஜ்டு பீப்புள் ஆஃப்டர் தேர் 60s could lead their life very peacefully and moreover keep your life very happily with the enjoyment, with the pleasure, with the bliss, whether it is possible. That is a discussion which we put in this video. What is the expectation of the senior citizens to live in happiness? Number one, I think no, they should not fall in worries. They should be free from worries. Also, they should free from the stress. But how the worry can go away and the stress can also leave away from is possible only through having a harmony in the family and lot of, the abundance of love and affections with our family members. And moreover, everything will be ruled by my stability of economy, that is the stability of economics, or that stability will create a harmony and that will make the people to love on these aged people. That will create the instinct of affections. So that is a central point. The root cause is the economic power. What's the way to reach your happiness? How could it be attained? Because we are bundled with conventional emotions and inbuilt with the psychological feelings and the social setup and economical implications. So we'll have to plan very wisely how to make our life a success and happy. For which I think for my first decision to retire early, because I cannot continue till the retirement age. So I get my retirement at the early age, and to achieve all these emotions, social and economic feelings, the only thing which I need is financial freedom and financial independence. When I'm having a sufficient money as per my plan and independent, then I can invite all those happiness, success in my life. That is the root cause today. When I have economic power, that will lead to have a freedom financially and independent to take financial decisions. I could really travel my happiness with my spouse. That would be possible in reality. If the decision had been the early retirement to lead my retired life very happily, I should have a plan. I should have some kind of system through which some indicators should be kept under systematic control. Number one, I should not have any liability hereafter when I take the decision of early retirement. I don't owe any money. I don't have to repay any money. Liability is almost zero. And I have a bank balance which will take care of my life for some years, including my pension or maybe like some benefits which I have kept in my bank account. And hereafter, when I lead my life happily during my retired or aged life, My expenditure will have to be budgeted. That should not lead to unbudgeted or aspirations or dreams. All the things will have to be stopped. Then only I think my life will be very peaceful without having any kind of unanticipated expectations, aspirations. So then only I think early retirement, fulfilling all my plans, I can live my life very happily and successfully. Here is a plan. My entire plan should thrust upon the listed out the checklisted items. A person who wants to have a happiness should not own more than a house, zero EMI. They should not continue with any more EMI once he sits on easy chair. And he can have a car to keep his comforts. But the comfort should not be expensive, should not be costing. So he could have a car. That car could be affordable if there is no EMI. That here also EMI is zero the time he takes his retired chair. And in the bank, the money which he has received towards EPF should have to be 15 to 20 lakhs in the bank account. And for the emergency funding, on an average of 40,000 rupees an expenditure to meet out his all basics will have to be maintained as an emergency fund, which could be calculated, say, for about 6 months. It is about 2.4 lakhs. If these things are, the points are met out, I think definitely the goal of having ambitious life, the happiest life, would be very much possible. நாம் பார்த்து அத்துணையும் திட்டமிடப்பட்டு விட்டால் கண்டிப்பாக வாழ்க்கை உங்கள் கையில். உங்களுடைய வாழ்க்கை வசந்தமாக இருக்கும், இனிப்பாக இருக்கும். முதிர்ந்த காலம் அல்ல, முதிர்ச்சியான காலம் அல்ல, எப்பொழுதும் இளமை காலமாகவே உங்களுடைய மனதும் உங்களுடைய இளமையும் சேர்ந்து முதுமையை விரட்டி அடிக்கும். அந்த நாள் வெகு தூரத்தில் இல்லை. அதற்கு திட்டங்கள் தேவை. அந்த திட்டங்களுக்கான எதிர்பார்ப்புகளுக்கு நீங்கள் ஒரு முடிச்சு போட வேண்டும். அந்த முடிச்சை அவிழ்த்து இந்த முதுமையை விரட்டி மனதிற்கும் அல்லது உங்களுடைய உள்ளத்திற்கும் என்றைக்கும் இனிமை பொங்க இனிக்க வாழ வாழ்த்தும் உங்களது பன்னீர்செல்வம்.